I have a Dell Inspiron 16 here that does not boot, shows no sign of life. I have the charger plugged in. Don't see any indicator for the battery. So I'm going to show you what I've done in the past to fix this problem. Basically, what you want to do is take off the back plate, disconnect the battery, drain the power, and then reconnect the battery. Pretty simple process. A little bit of time just to unscrew all the screws. Mind that these back screws aren't meant to come out all the way. They kind of just hang in there. This one came out. You can see it has a little ridge on it. Not really supposed to come all the way out. So all the screws are loose. We can slowly pry around the edges. Take the back cover off. What we're gonna do is disconnect the battery. The battery cable is right here. This is the battery. Let's go ahead and take this out. So just kind of pry the edges of it and wiggle it out. Now once it's disconnected, you want to drain the residual power. So to do that, just simply press the power button, hold it down for 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. So all this does is just drain all the power. If there's any capacitors that have energy still, then it will drain those. Have the battery disconnected and the residual power drained. We can go ahead and plug this back in and put it back together. Now let's go ahead and see if it works. Holding power, I can see the keyboard is backlit. Okay, it took about 10 seconds to boot back up. Now we're gonna have to redo the BIOS. So now it says time of day not set. Please run setup program. You could skip this and then set the time in Windows or whatever operating system you're running if you wanted to just ignore that. But click view all, and now click on date and time. Now let's exit. Choose to save, yes. And now you can see I have Windows up. This is one of the easiest fixes for these Dell laptops and a lot of other laptops as well. A lot of times you'll have to take out the BIOS battery, but it appears that this motherboard only uses the actual laptop battery as the CMOS battery. At least that's what it seems like. And so when you disconnect that battery, it also resets the BIOS. So thank you all for watching, and please have a great day.